You asked, how to divide 1728 by 3 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 17. 17 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 17 minus 15 equals 2. Bring down 2, making 22. 22 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. 22 minus 21 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 576.